your mathematics teacher for primary 2. Our lesson today is on fractions. Our objective, say it, objective. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to show 6 and add them. Say it after me. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to show 6 and add them. For that, let us look at the homework. Question 1. You were to name the fraction of the rectangle which is shaded. You have 2. Here is it. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2/5. Say it. 2/5. Question 2. We have a circle. You were to name the parts shaded in the circle. Let us find how many parts in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 equal parts. How many parts have been shaded? We have 1, 2, and 3. So 3/5. 3/5. This is also a circle. How many parts do we have inside it? 1, 2, 3. Here is it. How many parts do we have shaded? 1. Here is it. So what part of the circle has been shaded? 1/3. Very good. Very good. So let us continue with today's work. We have a circle. How many equal parts do we have inside it? Count. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. Let us look at this circle and count the number of parts in it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Look inside again. How many parts have been shaded? 1. So what fraction is this? The shaded part. It is 1/6. Say it after me. 1/6. Last time, 1/6. Very good. We have another circle. Let us find how many parts in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many parts have been shaded? 1, 2. So what fraction has been shaded? We have our 2 out of 6. So we call this 2/6. Say it. 2/6. Very good. Another circle. How many equal parts in it do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many parts inside have been shaded? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. So what fraction or what part of this circle has been shaded? 1, 2, 3. So that is 3, 6. 3, 6. Say it again. What part, again, has been shaded? 1, 2, 3. Here is it. And how many parts do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here is it. So what fraction is this? Yes, 3, 6. Again, 3, 6. Good. How many parts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. How many parts have been shaded? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what fraction has been shaded in this circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction is good. 4, 6. 4, 6. Say it again. 4, 6. 4, 6. Another circle. How many parts do we have in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, how many parts have been shaded? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so, children, if we have 6 equal parts inside the circle and 5 parts have been shaded, what fraction has been shaded? Yes, 5. 5 out of 6, which we call 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. Again. 5, 6. Good. We have another circle. How many parts do we have inside it? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts have been shaded inside the circle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what fraction of the circle has been shaded? Six out of 6, which we call, yes, 6 sixths. 6 sixths. But look at the circle again. What do you notice, children? The whole circle has been shaded. That is true. That is true. And so 6 sixths, another fraction for another number that will represent the 6 sixths. You see again, the whole circle. So 6 sixths is also known as 1. It is one whole circle which has been shaded. So 6 sixths is equal to 1 whole. Very good. Let us continue. This time we have a rectangle. How many parts do you see inside it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. How many parts have been shaded? 1. So what fraction of the rectangle has been shaded? 1 out of 6. What do we call it? 1/6. Good. Then we have another rectangle. Here is it. How many parts are in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. How many parts have been shaded? 1, 2. So what fraction of the rectangle has been shaded? Yes, you are right. Say it. 2/6. Again, 2/6. Very good. Let us look at another rectangle. How many parts are in it? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts have been shaded? 1, 2, 3. Children, what fraction has been shaded? What fraction is this? 3/6. The 3 that we have shaded, here is it. And the 6 parts that we have, here is it. So what fraction is this? 3/6. 3/6. You are doing well. Let's continue. We have another rectangle. Again, how many parts do we have in all inside the rectangle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts have been shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Out of what? Yes, out of 6. So what fraction is this? For 6. 4, 6. 4 out of 6. 4, 6. Let us continue. How many parts do we have in this rectangle? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts have been shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so what fraction has been shaded inside this rectangle? Very good. 5, 6. Say it. 5, 6. Last time, 5, 6. Remember, the 5 shaded parts. That's what you see here. 5 out of 6 parts. 5, 6. Another rectangle. How many parts do we have in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's look inside the rectangle again. How many parts have been shaded? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you have 6 parts in all, and 6 parts have been shaded, children, what fraction is this? Good. 6 sixths. Say it again. 6 sixths. Write it. What again do you see inside the rectangle? Look at it. Very good. The whole rectangle has been shaded. That is good. Now, what other fraction will you write to stand for the whole rectangle that has been shaded? Very good. 1 whole. 1 whole. So 6 sixths. Another name for 6 sixths is 1 whole. Very good. Let us continue. Remember, we said we will find 6 and add them. Here we are. Look at this circle. How many parts do we see inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many parts have been shaded? Good. It's 2. Here is it. And here we have the 6 parts. So what fraction is this? 2/6. We have another circle. How many parts have been shaded in it? 1, 2, 3. Here is it. How many parts in all do we have in the circle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you add, this is the symbol. You add the 2/6 and the 3/6. This is what you get. Children, what is it? If you add 2/6 and 3/6, what do you get? Count. What you see inside the circle is what you will get. Let us count the shaded parts, because these are shaded parts. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5, 6. So if you add 2/6 to 3/6, what do you get, children? 5, 6. Say it again. 5, 6. Very good. Let us do another one. Look at this rectangle. How many equal parts do we have inside it? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What fraction is this? 3/6. Very good. Let us look at another rectangle. What fraction, what parts, how many parts do we have in it? How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what fraction has been shaded? 1/6. Say it. 1/6. So children, if you have 3/6 and you have 1/6 and you add, you have 3/6 plus 1/6. This is what it gives you. First of all, how many parts? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here is it. The parts that were shaded are here. So count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The parts that were shaded. So what fraction is this? 4/6. Again, 4/6. And so if you add 3/6 and 1/6, what do you get? 4/6. Good. I hope you have enjoyed and you will continue to enjoy. Let's go to the next stage. And that is your homework. Question 1. You have this fraction shaded. Write the fraction here. Come to this circle. You also have a part shaded. That's the fraction. Write it here. Come and write what you will get when you add this fraction and that fraction. It has been shown here. Come and write that fraction. Question 2. You have a rectangle. Part of it has been shaded. First of all, we have equal parts. Part of it has been shaded. Name the part that has been shaded as a fraction of all the parts here, the number of parts we have here. So what fraction is here? Write it. Plus, name this fraction that has been shaded here. When you do that, you will get this. Write that fraction down. And that is your homework. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Bye for now.